Passive income is real. The version being sold online is not. The phrase "make money while you sleep" is technically accurate, but the part that never gets mentioned is everything that has to happen before that becomes possible. The word passive describes the income after the asset is built. It says nothing about what building the asset actually costs in time, effort, and consistency. Anyone promising truly zero-effort passive income is selling something. The passive income landscape is clear about one thing. The passive part comes after the asset is built, not before. Over 28% of Americans reported having at least one passive income stream in 2026, up from just 16% 5 years prior. The opportunity is real and growing. The timeline and the work required to reach it are what most content in this space quietly leaves out. The first lie is that passive income is quick. The most realistic passive income timeline is 3 to 12 months of intensive work building the asset, followed by 2 to 5 hours per week of maintenance. Not 3 to 12 days, not a weekend project. 3 to 12 months of consistent effort, creating content, building a product, growing an audience, establishing distribution, before the income begins to compound in any meaningful way. A blog or YouTube channel typically takes 12 to 24 months of consistent effort before earning meaningful income. A digital product store requires creating products, optimizing listings, and driving traffic before the first sale. An affiliate marketing presence requires publishing enough content for search engines or social platforms to distribute it at scale. A blog that ranks on Google becomes a passive income machine, but it typically takes 6 to 18 months of consistent publishing before it starts earning meaningfully. The creators sharing screenshots of monthly passive income in 2026 are almost always showing month 18 or month 24, not month 1. The beginning is invisible because it is not interesting to watch. The second lie is that passive income requires no skills. Every passive income stream that produces meaningful revenue is built on a skill or an asset. Digital products require the ability to create something genuinely useful, a template, a guide, a course that solves a real problem for a specific person. Affiliate marketing requires the ability to create content that earns trust and drives purchasing decisions. Index fund investing requires capital that had to be earned first. Rental property income requires either capital to purchase a property or time to manage one. The issue is not with passive income as a concept. It is with how it gets presented as easy, quick, and requiring minimal investment of time or expertise to establish. The reality is that passive income streams require upfront investment, the right infrastructure, and consistent maintenance to keep them running. The skill requirement is not a barrier, it is a feature. It is exactly why passive income works over the long term. The same skill that took months to develop becomes a competitive moat that protects the income stream from being easily replicated by someone who discovered the same opportunity yesterday. The third lie is that passive income is fully passive. Passive income is a spectrum. A rental property might take 5 hours a month to manage well. A blog might take 10 hours a week for the first year. A digital product business requires customer support, product updates, and marketing to sustain its sales. An affiliate marketing channel requires new content to remain competitive as platforms shift and search rankings change. The passive label is a description of the income's relationship to time, not a description of the work involved. A salaried job pays for hours worked. A passive income stream pays for an asset that was built, and assets require maintenance to remain valuable. The income feels passive. The work to build it does not. Passive income is not about working less. It is about shifting when the work happens. The effort gets front-loaded into building an asset. Then that asset earns while the builder does other things. The difference between a salary and passive income is not effort. It is timing. The fourth lie is that any passive income stream will work for anyone. The best passive income stream is the one that leverages existing skills and knowledge. Chasing trends produces poor results. Building products based on what is already known deeply produces durable results. A passive income stream built in a niche the creator knows nothing about requires learning the niche before building anything. That adds months of time before any meaningful progress can be made. A passive income stream built at the intersection of existing knowledge and genuine market demand starts with a significant head start. The credibility, the vocabulary, and the ability to produce genuinely useful content are already present. The fifth lie is that passive income scales automatically. Most successful creators took 6 to 12 months to reach $1,000 per month. But the compound effect of adding more products means year 2 earnings typically multiply 3 to 5 times. The scaling is real, but it is not automatic. It requires reinvesting early income into more content, more products, more distribution, and often into tools and platforms that increase output without proportionally increasing time. The creators earning $10,000 per month from passive income almost universally started earning $100 per month first, and treated that $100 as proof of concept rather than as a destination. The scaling happened because the system that produced the first sale was documented, refined, and repeated, not because the income grew on its own. The realistic picture of passive income in 2026 looks like this. The best passive income stream for any individual is always the one that can realistically be started right now, given the current skills, time, and capital available, not the one that looks most impressive on a screenshot. The first 3 to 12 months involve consistent work with minimal financial return. The work is building the asset, the content library, the product catalog, the audience, the distribution channel. The income during this period is a byproduct of building, not the focus. A product earning $100 per month that is live and running beats a perfect product still being planned. Perfection delays the feedback that reveals whether the idea has real demand. After the asset reaches a minimum viable scale, enough content to rank, enough products to convert, enough audience to distribute to, the income begins compounding. Each piece of content generates traffic that generates sales that fund more content. Each product generates reviews that improve conversion that fund more products. The compounding is what produces the while you sleep income. But compounding requires a base to compound from, and that base takes time and consistent work to build. Passive income is one of the most legitimate wealth-building strategies available in 2026. The tools to build it are better than they have ever been. The platforms are more accessible. The barriers to entry are lower. The problem is not the opportunity. The problem is the expectation that the income arrives before the asset is built, and the disappointment when it does not. The people who build lasting passive income are the ones who treat month 1 through month 6 as an investment period, not a monetization period. Every hour of work during that phase is building something that will earn without additional hours attached to it. The return on that investment arrives later, and when it does, it is the only income that continues growing while the person doing something else entirely. Drop a comment with the passive income stream being considered or currently being built. The next video covers the specific platforms, tools, and content formats that produce the fastest path from zero to first dollar in each category.